How often do man-made quartz countertops need to be sealed?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into the world of quartz countertops. Specifically, we'll answer one of the most frequently asked questions. How often do man-made quartz countertops need to be sealed?
What is quartz and how is it manufactured?
To start, let's discuss what quartz is. Quartz is a hard mineral, one of the most abundant on Earth. Man-made, or engineered quartz, is a composite material made of crushed quartz and resin. It's made in a factory, and during its production, pigments can be added for color. The result is a super durable, non-porous countertop material with the beauty of natural stone but with enhanced characteristics.
Do quartz countertops need sealing?
Here's the big question. Do quartz countertops need sealing? The answer is, quite simply, no. Quartz countertops are non-porous due to the manufacturing process, which means they are resistant to staining and do not require a sealant. This is a key advantage of quartz over natural stone materials like granite or marble, which do require regular sealing.
How to maintain quartz countertops?
While quartz countertops don't need sealing, they do require some care to keep them looking their best. This typically includes cleaning up spills promptly to avoid potential discoloration, avoiding harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, and using trivets or heat pads to protect the surface from high heat. So, there you have it. Quartz countertops, unlike their natural stone counterparts, do not require regular sealing thanks to their non-porous nature. They do, however, require some basic maintenance to keep them looking beautiful. We hope this information has been helpful in caring for your quartz countertops.